Hi, I'm Mike, and this is the all-new Škoda Superb. Superb is actually coming in its 4th generation. Let's explore some of its features and highlights. We'll manage it in 60 seconds. Here we go. Let's start with the design. Sharply drawn lines, optimized body for better efficiency, and sophisticated detailing unique dark chrome. 6 new colors, and up to 19-inch wheels. With an increase in length and height, this offers like an ocean of space for both drivers and passengers. There's plenty of legroom and headroom. What about in here? There's 690 liters. Look at this, up to a 13-inch freestanding infotainment display plus 10-inch virtual cockpit. Škoda Smart Dials, controls combining haptic and digital features. And there's tons of space in the center console. And of course, up to 10 airbags, including plenty of safety and assistance systems. In Superb, you have 3 petrol engines, including 1.5 with mild hybrid, 2 diesel engines, and a plug-in hybrid with more than 100-kilometer pure electric range. The new generation of dynamic chassis control offers a wide range of suspension options from luxury to sport. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Not only does the all-new Superb come as a combi estate, but a hatchback as well. There's an ocean of possibilities while exploring with the Superb.
Škoda.